Hello, welcome to the channel. Video we are going to do the transcript Nepali test, the part B. But for this part, let us do the part A. And please remember to subscribe. If you are interested in getting part B, you can reach out to me through my WhatsApp number. So, as you know, we must pass this with 100%. It's very easy if you are willing to read the instructions. So let us go straight to the questions. And it's asking for question number one. The transcriber, when you are transcribing, you should italicize social networking sites, option A, that is not true. The titles of songs, that is true. Parts or sections or portions of sacred writings, that is not true. Never italicize any part of a sacred writing. TV and radio programs is, that is true. Then again, you foreign words or foreign expressions that are not in English. Yes, Bible. Bible is part of sacred text. Sacred writings do not italicize those. Question number two, which spelling is correct? That is basic grammar. Let's see what we have done. Question number three, how do you transcribe or how do you not significant pauses in speech? A pause is significant if it lasts longer than 10 seconds and it starts with the word pause with the correct time stamp. Hold it. Yeah, that is true. Question number three is as easy as that. Question number four, the sounds made by a person, by the speaker, by the current speaker of the following. Hmm. Before. Um, tulikuwa tumetoka church. Yo, sema tulikuwa tumetoka church. Tuone nini namba.